and he will always owe me money.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
I was worried you were tied up in the trunk of a car somewhere.
Gentlemen?
Boys. Hi, thanks.
Pleasure to meet you.
Help me, Sharkman. Pleasure.
I hope you brought your wallet.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please be seated. This is a matter of Kenny versus Spenny. Are we prepared to proceed?
Yes, we are, Your Honor. This is a very sad day for me.
Are you going to tell me what this lawsuit's about?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. I have suffered a grave injustice.
This is not a case about whether I owe him money. This is about whether he has the legal rights to get the said money.
Way to go, Spenny. Doug, did Spencer Nolan Rice admit to you that he owed me money?
Yes, he did.
Thank you. No further questions. And I would like to call Chris Remecki, who is holding this camera right now. Chris, may you please take the stand.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Thank you.
Did Spencer Nolan Rice admit to you that he owed me money? Yes or no?
I owe Kenny some money.
Yes.
I do, so help me God. Mr. Rice has not really had much money. Didn't really work much. He seemed to be lazy and didn't hold a job.
I have a few questions, Your Honor. Yes or no, are you aware of the specific details and amounts of my debt?
I would say that I am probably...
Yes or no, are you aware of all of my debts? Yes or
I'm
no?
not aware of all of your debts because they're all sitting in a garbage bag over there waiting to be added up.
I'm
with the
not
contents.
accepting a garbage bag as an exhibit in this hearing.
I'm done.
I'm ready to hear your closing arguments now.
Then Mr. Hawks is claiming that on the basis of unjust enrichment, he should be repaid 50% of the expenses and debts incurred on behalf of their partnership. Isn't it time to pay him back? Mr. Rice has been clearly, unjustly enriched by the actions of Mr. Hawks. Thank you.
No talking in this room.
I am a reasonable man, and Your Honor, could you please admonish? I didn't interrupt you, and I'm willing to rectify some. Your Honor, please. He's doing this on purpose. But anyways,
Continue with your lies, Mr. Rice.
point in the future, he is obligated to put his.
Honorable Court to
Your Honor.
What is going on?
Your Honor, he just flicked a juju bead at my head and could have taken out my eye. And do I have to put up with this?
That is totally untrue. It is a jelly bean, not a jube, Your Honor.
I'm prepared to render a verdict. This is a question of justice, and the question answers itself. This is a debt. The debt must be repaid. Judgment will be for the plaintiff. Order in this proceeding.
Sorry, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
My dream team came through for me.
It took her 2 seconds. She came in and just.
Yeah!
It's time to buy an abacus because you are in big trouble.
This is a kangaroo court.
That's right. And you got socked.
Humiliation time.
As a humiliation for this episode, I get to spit on Spenny's face. It's a very simple humiliation. It only takes a second, but
Just get it over with. Come on.
it is so disgusting.
And not a loogie.
That's so gross.
No, just spit.
That he has
You know what? I don't
going to do this. You're going to do it.
What? No, I said no loogie.
Close your eyes.
Don't get it on your mouth. Ah! Ah! Never ever doing that again.
Oh, Spenny, man, you are the best. Spenny, you are the best.
Let's take a shower. Oh.
Oh man, that was so disgusting. Oh, I feel a little guilty about that one.